So we got a little adventure set up for us today. We're gonna go to Piha Beach. It's about an hour west of here. And then we will some waterfalls and all that and a few other places. So we got ourselves a little adventure, little something. Just gotta pack up my stuff. Here you go. Headphones, never know. GoPro, this is all. Charge this stuff. See? We got our food. Snacks. Been cloudy for the last 2 days. I wanted to get sun. I want to see the sunny side. Julie, what are you doing over here? Are you a mischief, huh? She ate half my sandwich when I wasn't looking, stepping up on the counter. Isn't that right? Yes, now you're like, woo. But you're a happy little dog. She's 9 months old.
Yeah, aren't you? Yeah. No, what are you doing? I had some friends. I made some friends with you, didn't I? I made a friend. Yes, I did. Well.
You're tired, aren't you? You're tired. Yes, you are, aren't you? You're just gonna try to run you out.
Bonjour. I'm going to Piha this afternoon. And I was wondering, look at your message. It's been blowing for the last 2 weeks.
What has?
Blowing, the wind.
Oh, blowing, yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay. We're gonna go over the bridge. Julie hanging out in the back. The bridge. It's a totem pole. We're going pretty high up into the mountains and we're gonna go check out Piha Beach. Piha? It's like black sand and all that.
1, 2, 3. Jumping! Oh, jumping. 3, 2, 1.
We're gonna go up to the top and see what kind of view we can get. It's so luscious. Let's take a picture. Come here. Ready? Ready? Cheese! 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 So here we are in New Zealand. We're visiting and exploring. We're going to the west side. It's not too bad. It's Waitai-kuri. No. Waitai-kuri.
Wai means water.
Like curry, like Indian curry?
No, curry.
Curry.
Waitai curry.
Waitai-kuri. Waitai-kuri Regional Park.
Yeah.
Black sand. It's like volcanic sand. Oh, this is Piha Beach. Black sand. There's no one here because it's a cloudy day in the middle of September. No, October. We're in the middle of October and there's no one here and it's kind of like, eh. Yeah! Go, 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 go! Ah! Ah! Yeah!
That's exhausting.
Beautiful. No one's here. Hey, what are you eating? So the water, it's like very slow trickling and it trickles all the way up, all the way down there. But you can barely see it right now. It's not really high tide. Okay, there it is. It just slowly keeps creeping down. Look at the formation it makes. Across the river. Yeah. Woo! Get that! There's no one else on this beach. It's a Tuesday in the middle of the day in October, and there's 2 people at the very end. Otherwise, the whole beach, Piha Beach, is all of ours. Everything here, it's essentially a private beach. It's your own beach. There's no one here. You can do whatever you want. You can go skinny dipping. You can go run around and doing shit. Who knows what. It's a good way to just escape and get quiet and just kind of reflect with yourself introspectively. Take it all in. There's no one here. You can talk. You can talk. You can do it. You can yell. You can do whatever you want. Whatever the fuck you want. Bye. Ah! So we're at the rock that is next to the Piha Beach. Trying to get to the top of Lion Rock. Oh, this is a big rock. It's a good exercise. Piha Lion Rock. Trying to get to the very top. We gotta get to the top. We passed the gate, that's the donut. Don't go. Fuck it, we gotta go. I hear the waves. Yeah, the top. We made it! 8-minute walk, but still. Well, that's that. We're pretty as high up as we can get. So this is the top of Lion Rock. Whoa! All right, so we're gonna go back the way we came and make it all the way down because that's the way it must be on. You weren't supposed to go this way because of hazards. Sometimes you gotta break the laws in order to see things and get to places you otherwise would have been unattainable. You gotta break laws in life. Going down the mountain range, gonna go find where we belong. Gonna find our path, gonna find our way when we're looking for a song. Julie! Hey, what are you doing here? What are you doing? What? Yeah, where were you? Where were you? What were you doing? What were you doing, huh?
Ice Cafe in Auckland.
Look at this view. We'll have them clear this table off. Start view to follow. Highest beer in Auckland, New Zealand.
Chin.
Ching ching. Is that cheers for French? Ah.
Yeah, in French.
Same for my puppy, but now she just moved into my bed.
Finally, the sun shows through for a moment. For a blip in time over these clouds. Instantly 10 degrees warmer. So wonderful.
Sit down.
Isla de Pascua. It's an island off.
Yeah. Pascua Island.
Yeah, Easter Island off.
You've been there?
Yeah, we're there. Oh, nice. This is like the bedroom, huh?
In our bedroom.
Oh, yeah. Hey. Who did like the artwork and all that stuff? Is that just someone?
Wallpaper.
Oh, that is. I think high quality wallpaper. It's not that cheap. Look at that. That's quite a view to wake up
That's
to, though.
looking out to Australia.
Oh, we'll just sit on here and swing away. Whee! This is quite a way to wake up. think we made it to the Amazon.